let's try make a Korean syllable. First one is consonant plus vertical vowel. You need to remember consonants comes always first, okay? Always come first. The first one, consonant, what was it? What was the sound? G, right? Plus, what happened? You need to combine with vowel ah. Yes, the vertical vowel ah. Okay? So what happened? Yeah, it's a math time. So what happened? G plus ah become ka. That's how you make the Korean syllable. Ka, ka, ka. Okay? So remember, consonant always comes first, and then number two, vertical vowels. There's a many vertical vowels, right? Do you remember that we learned it last time? Yes, vertical vowel is always where? On the right side of the consonants. Please remember, it doesn't come in front of the consonants, right? So it's always what? Behind the consonants, like this, okay? On the right side. All right, let's go. What about horizontal vowels? Consonant with the horizontal vowels. So g, same thing plus. Oh, do you remember this vowel? It's a o. O. Remember o. And then what happened if you combine them? Yes, where it goes. Is it on the side? Nope. It's what? At the bottom, right? At the bottom of the consonants. So it become go, go. So what you need to remember is here. So what you need to remember is the vertical vowel goes on the side, and then yes, the horizontal vowel goes under the consonants. All right. What about this shape? The number 3. The third shape is consonant plus vowel. But we can add one more consonant. We call that final consonants. Also, we call it 받침. Please remember, 받침. All right. So number 1, you remember this shape? G with the a. So become what? Ka. Right? Ka. Plus, we're going to add another final consonant. Where it goes? Yes, it's under the syllable block of ka. You got that? Ga plus what happened? The 받침 goes, yes, final consonant 받침 goes under the syllable block. So how do you read that? First, the upper one is called what? Sounds ka, right? Ka. And then another g added. What happened? Kak, kak, kak. Ka become kak, kak. Okay? All right, number 2. 자, 고. 고 shape. You remember this syllable? Yes, 고. G with the vowel O. 고. Plus, we're going to add another final consonant. Yes, final consonant G. What happened? 고 plus G. 국. 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 고 become 국. You got that? That's how you make the Korean syllable block with the final consonant over here. Okay? All right. So let's take a more syllables. Take a look. The first one is g plus a. What happened? Yes, it's ka. Ka. Right? Second one, s plus a. What happened? Sa. Sa. Right? And then third one, d plus o is do. Do. Right? And then this shape. Oh, added a what? Yes. The final consonant. Ka become kak. Kak. Right? Okay, last one. Oh, this one doesn't have any sound, right? So what do you need to read? Just vowel itself, right? This, do you remember this vowel? The sound is what? E, right? E. So it become just E. You just need to read the vowel E. All right. That was all. So here's a quiz time. Number 1, the consonant characters were based on 4 organ speech involved in speech. What are those? What are those? G, N, M, S, Ng. The answer will be yes. in the below of the video. Number 2 question, what is the sound of ga? Number 3, what is 받침? What is 받침? You guys remember? All right. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. All right. See you next time. Bye-bye.